Hope for Human Nature Generation is a charitable organization with the overall goal to help reduce human suffering and sustain human development, especially to the patients referred to the General Hospital, UTH, and other health centers in Lusaka, Zambia, coming from far-flung areas lacking food, clothes, transport, and other health social care needs. It was a busy day for this organization in partnership with the church in donating these items to children's ward at UTH in extending the life of the child.
Babies without mothers. Oh.
In the name of Jesus, I command you pain right now to